Take a look at some of the new Samsung vacuums with this new upright camera. So you've got a regular vacuum like that, and then it kind of detaches
take this with you up the stairs.
That way.
So now I'm going up the stairs. So
there's enough things in here
as he sucks in the air. That's the Samsung MotionSync upright. Basically like a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, if you will. Pretty interesting all around. Yeah, looks, it's good for lazy guys like us. It's got a cyclone. It's good for the lazy man. Now, do you know when it's going to hit the market, by any chance?
should be here this spring.
Spring. Any idea on pricing?
Just under 5.
Under 500. All right, lazy fellas, you know, it's what you need in case she wants you to clean the house. The MotionSync upright, right?
That's correct.
And yeah, it's bagless. Got a cyclone system in there, and it's pretty neat. Thanks.